Combining an original Rocket 455 with correct 1-year-only special order bittersweet iridescent paint and a frame-off rotisserie nut and bolt restoration, this national award-winning drop top is a prime example of 442 lore. The best way to restore a classic car is to strip everything to bare metal and commit to a detailed ground-up rebuild. When you are starting with an 89,000 original mile barn find that spent 45 years of its life with the original owner, that job is made a bit easier. Featuring extremely deep 1971 bittersweet paint, NOS parts were available, and T3 headlights. This build was completed under the watchful eye of a 30-plus year olds guru and national-level judge. Inside, you'll find a correct Sienna interior that complements the bittersweet exterior. Stainless trim seats prop pliable vinyl on fade-free carpet. A correct console frames a wood-trimmed shifter. A wood-trimmed dash hangs requisite tick-tock-tack rally pack gauges and the correct AM/FM stereo radio. And the rare NOS Sport Steering Wheel is icing on the cake. Under the hood, you'll find 455 cubic inches of original Rocket V8 with the correct block casting number over a matching VIN. That big block fronts a correct Turbo-Hydramatic 400 3-speed, which sends power to a reliable 10-bolt rear with posi-traction and 323 gears. Both desirable and exclusive, high-class Oldsmobile Brutes occupy a unique corner of the collector car hobby. If you are looking for an honest, unrelentingly cool classic that will turn heads wherever you go, it's hard to beat this striking 442. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.